catch it in your mouth.
Choke on it.
Drop it. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, awesome.
I didn't see it. What happened?
Did you get him on camera? Yeah. Running into the thing.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. I didn't see it.
Alright, I'm getting it.
Those things are impossible to catch.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
It went around my house one time and it kept coming out.
I do it all the time. It's fairly easy.
I'm a fat kid.
Maybe it's just uncoordinated.
And that too.
Try to bounce it up here. Bounce it up to here. Power shot.
Epic fail.
Total epic fail.
No, no, no.
Oh!
First time you ever got a bounce ball. Good job. Bounce.
Awesome moves.
Alright, we're done.
And do it loud. How are you gonna find it?
You got it?
Oh.
Five again.
No.
Please. I want to videotape you.
Wait.
Oh yeah, no.